welcome back to the channel. Oh man, this was a fun local yard sale that we went to. Me and my oldest went out. The weather wasn't too bad, so it was kind of nice. This is the first yard sale technically we hit this year. But a little discouraged when we got there. They definitely didn't want us filming there. They made me turn the camera off. I respected their wishes. Did that. We started to look at some stuff, and some of the prices were way too high. And this was kind of a moving sale, so I thought, you know what, they're going to want to move this stuff, but I was wrong. But I think in the long run, we did find some good stuff that we could turn around and sell for a profit. So I'm going to start showing you guys what we found and tell you what we paid for it. This was actually the last thing we found there. It's like these moon shoes. Old moon shoes, and there is a date on them from 1969. They're brand Ideal Toy Corp. Super cool. We ended up getting these for $5. I think it was. I can't find any comps for them on eBay, but I think we're gonna do pretty good. It's an older toy. I don't think they're gonna sell for like a lot, but I still think we can make some money on these. Tupperware. You guys know we love it, we sell it, we use it, everything. But this was a 4-cup measuring cup with the lid. We paid $4 for it, but the only reason I picked it up was, guess what? I just sold one of these last week for $10.99 plus shipping. So I knew that this will not stick around long. So I already have the listing done. This one is actually in a little bit better shape than the one I just sold. Not by much, but I don't expect this one to last long. I did get one more piece of Tupperware here. This one, she did cut us a deal at the end because we did buy a few things, but this was a Tupperware measuring pitchers, pour, whatever you want to call it. I'm not 100% sure. I didn't look up the number to see what it's actually called yet, but 1 cup on the bottom, 1 cup on the top. I'm actually curious if my wife's going to end up using this, so we'll see. But she did have $5 on this one, so it was probably a little bit higher priced, but overall, for what we spent, the cost of goods was less than that. Okay, now for all the small goodies. We were able to pick up 8 different vintage Avon items. Now, she had these all listed for about $1 a piece, so we kind of went through. A couple of them were broke, so we left them behind. But some of the stuff was still in really good shape and really kind of cool and caught my eye. Now, I didn't look up any of this stuff while I was there. They kind of were following us around, I think because of the camera situation, but I'm not sure. But for $1 a piece, I figured I was going to take a shot. So we ended up picking up these Avon Field Flowers cologne. It's a half a fluid ounce. I think this one, if I was right, this one might have been full. Yep, this one is full right there. So really cool. Old Avon stuff does sell. Now some of these I did look up after I got home, and a few of these things sell for about $10 to $15 each. And then we have this other old cologne bottle here. This actually has a horse on it right there. This is empty. I can't remember the name of this one now, but I did look it up, and it sells for about $12 to $15, empty bottle. Then we have another Avon Field Flowers cologne too. We have 2 bottles of these ones, just 2 different boxes. So that we had the first one I showed you, which might have been that one. Now I'm confused. But we have these 2 different Field Flowers cologne. Yeah, I'm not sure what the difference is because they both say the same thing, so both of those, we'll list those separately just because the boxes are different. Then we got some Avon Short Winter Shower Soap. Brand new. It has this cool race car on it. Right there. It's a really cool item. Again, we picked it up for $1. This sells for about $8 to $10. And then we got this Mary Mary. It's like a Mother Goose. It's soap. Oh, Sweet Honesty Cologne. Avon Mary Mary Cologne. So I'm not even sure. Oh, this one I think is brand new. Can't get this thing out of the box. I don't know if it has much in it. I'm gonna pretty much say it's empty, but this is the bottle, and it actually has a top on it too. It's in there, so I didn't even see the top yet. Oh, so it's there. There you go. So that is the top with the pitcher, the watering can actually. So really cool piece. Like I said, for $1, I couldn't just, I don't know, vintage Avon stuff sells well for us. And then, last but not least, we ended up getting 2 perfumed talc. Now these are pretty much full, really cool boxes, and just overall cool item. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. This was a super quick haul video. I don't know if I still have the clip that I might toss in at the beginning that you guys might have already seen from the sale from the beginning, but a lot of the stuff was overpriced. We were time crunched, so we hurried up, got in there, we went through. They did have some really cool items, but they were just so high priced. They had a bicycle outside, then I heard somebody ask how much, and they wanted $1,000 for it. So I'm just not sure who's going to be dropping $1,000 at a yard sale. So yeah, that's all we have for you for this one. Also, we were approved on Whatnot, so go follow us on Whatnot. I'm going to leave a link down below to join Whatnot. If you sign up and you purchase an auction, you will get $10 added to your account as a bonus. So hopefully you can head on over there. Hopefully you can find us on there, and maybe you could purchase something from our auction site over there. I'm not sure what days we'll be running stuff. We're going to do some vintage clothing, toys. We're going to try to do a wide range of stuff when our schedule permits. So until next time, guys, remember, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep picking.